It's Fynchnest.com.
Hi, my name is Terrace. I'm the co-founder of Fynchnest. I'm also a lifelong contractor. I created Fynchnest because basically I was tired of a lot of the online sites that are just middlemen or pay per lead, and they really just suck money out of our pockets. Then last year I had an opportunity to work with Long & Foster. See, there are a couple of new rules that had changed in Maryland, which severely, they kind of restrict how a real estate agent can refer handymen. So we started working with them. We developed the Fynchnest. So basically the Fynchnest is a special designation on file, which will be very soon SEO friendly. But any real estate agent with Long & Foster will be able to search for your information and then send that directly to a client. They're going to have direct contact. Listen, we're not trying to be a middleman or trying to get involved in any of the transactions. So give it a shot. For a limited time, you only have to pay for the background check. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and visit our website because we have a lot of information posted there as well. Thank you.
It's Fynchnest.com.